As you can probably tell, I love Milwaukee stuff, so I actually got a package of Dozer today, and this is something I was actually trying to get previously, and I could not afford it because they were very, very expensive. But today I actually found them for 30 bucks. So I was like, okay, well, this was my dream. Let's get it, you know? So the reason why I really wanted this is because these things can go through multi-material. So I've actually been using Milwaukee's, whole bits, you know. So those are pretty good. You know, I've been going through multiple materials and I've used it well over 5-6 months, which I have never had anything last that long. So I'm very happy with them. And so I do see a lot of people use these, and I feel like these are going to be a positive kind of thing. So that's kind of why I went and I was like, okay, well, it's 30 bucks. That'll probably never be 30 bucks again. So let's get it. And I do need it. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. It has a carrier and everything. I don't know why. This thing is bashed in, so it's not even locked in properly. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's pretty bad. So let's try to see if we can put it back in place. I guess we can, because this hinge is like, it's pretty cool. I guess it kind of definitely adds to its long life, because I've had good experiences with most Milwaukee stuff. So we have different sizes, so which is really important. So you can definitely ditch your thing once. This is a 2 1/8. This is, I guess, what we use to cut the hole for the what you call that, the door, right, doorknob. So this is what that is. And then we don't have the complete skinny one, the 1 inch, which we cut for the lock to thing. So that's kind of what I mostly use a HoleSaw for. But yeah, this has multiple sizes. Other than that, I just make holes to put mini splits on, which I have on right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's gonna be like this size, 2 1/4. So you got good sizes in around here. So again, you don't really know when you need a tool. So it's hard to justify why we buy tools, honestly. It's hard. It's hard. This kind of stuff shouldn't be asked. Why do you need that? Anyways, so we have this thing here. This is what I really like, because this thing is a quick changing thing. So not only we have this, right, but you see this thing here, the pilot bit, we have 2 more of this. So there's one here, there's one here, so we got 2 of these. These will wear out over time, right? But you have backup ones, which you can use. Very thoughtful of Milwaukee. And all of this is, packed nicely in a, little tray here, So, and then, this entire thing is, really nicely set up here, you know what I mean? So it's like these could be actually a little bit organized if you need to, and different ways. So, like you could take these things, because these aren't doing anything except for separating, that this part here with the rest of the stuff. But you could change these around and kind of set things how you like them to be, and then the top has these bubbles here. These, I guess, probably keep this in from shaking and stuff, and also adds to the rigidity of the box. Very nice and thoughtful. We also have an Allen key, in case you guys didn't notice. This basically loosens and tightens, not this thing, right here, the pilot bit. You can basically take it off and on with this. So this thing basically acts like this. Basically you would take your whatever you want to use, you would thread it in, just like this. And I know this because I actually have 2 sizes of this, which is for the the door. So it's the same way. So I really like that. You do this, and then you could lock it in and stuff. I believe this is right there. So it locks in very nicely, so it's secure, and also like, you know, it's easy to, you know, kind of swap these out. So, you know, Milwaukee did a really good job with this stuff. And, you know, the best part is if you go to Home Depot and go to the aisle where the bits and everything are, you will find replacement part of this very easily. And this is like, you know, this I think you could also buy separately as well. And now I have two of these actually, so, you know, great stuff. It's just, you know, you could find these parts easily. And on top of that, if you like, you know, obviously need maybe a different size than this, you know what I mean? For example, like I said, like, you know, I would use the, you know, the door stuff, and then the, you know, the one I need for my, you know, mini split installation and stuff. Those are the ones I would keep most of the time and I work with most of the time. Again, if you do something else, right? Let's say you need like you make a lot of, you know, 4-inch or 6-inch holes, you know, maybe you're, you know, taking kitchen ducts out, you know, they have those sizes available, and those fit in this system very nicely. So, you know, you can buy those and use this, you know, same set as well, you know, to make your life a lot easier. So these guys should sponsor me, but, you know, I really like their stuff most of the time, except for two things I didn't like. One was a screwdriver, which is going to be the next video I'm going to be shooting right after this. But, you know, yeah, it's a really nice set here. I'm not sure if this thing is broken. I'm going to attempt to close this, you know, properly, which I probably wouldn't be able to do because these, I don't know how this would close, but oh, it does close nicely. There we go. I guess we're lined up properly. I'm not sure. This, you know, there's this thing, these two things here. They just like, they would just like dig in this, which is why this was all messed up to begin with, you know, it was just like taken apart. I'm not sure why this is like this, but that's kind of concerning. I don't know why it's like this. No idea. So let me take this thing out. Let me see if that closes. Yeah, I guess it lines up. It closes, but you know, you push this out, it just disconnects. So if you guys have this set, let me know if this is a problem you guys are facing or anything like that. That is pretty dumb. I'm not sure what happened there, but I don't think it's gonna come out or anything, you know, if I lock this thing. So I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, it's pretty weird, you know. But yeah, cool, not bad at all, you know. I will probably figure something out for that. There's something probably wrong with that part there, but yeah, it's really nice, you know. It has a nice little handle, and you know, I really like how they package their stuff, you know. Pretty cool little thing. But yeah, that is pretty much it on this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.